Okay, so today we're doing an exothermic and endothermic reaction. Okay, so hopefully you went to this link. I also have that in Google Classroom. You're going to answer these questions. Okay, first, so what does the flat line of the reactant A physically represent of the chemical reaction? Okay, if you're confused, that means you need to be looking over here. So this flat line right here, that's where reactant A is going to be. What would that represent? Okay, what does the spike between the reactants and products? So this spike right here, what does that represent? And then the final question, what is the flat line over here where B is going to be represent? Okay, then you're going to go through and you read through the instructions. And it tells you how to set it up. You're going to have 100 molecules of reactant A. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to type in 100. Okay. And then I'm going to see, is there anything else? 300, okay, yep, I'm good. Okay, now I'm going to start it. And I'm gonna let it play until it hits 30. Pause. I didn't perfectly do that, so I might reset and redo that because I'm trying to multitask, record, and do this. Okay, but once you get it exactly at 30, okay, this is the molecules in chamber A, 83. So I'm going to write that down over here, 83. Then I have 19 over here. I'm going to put that in product B. Okay, then my temperature, okay, is going to be found right here. Okay, so 169 Kelvin. I'll write that over there. And I forgot to get my initial, so since I have to reset anyways, okay, my initial for reactant A is going to be 100. My product for B is going to be 0. And my temperature should be 300. Okay, so that's what you're going to have down here. And then you're going to keep going till you get to 300 seconds. Okay, then you're going to answer these questions, and then you're going to repeat that process for experiment 2. Okay, but now you're going to have 100 molecules of reactant A, 0 of B, and then 1,000 K, so 1,000 Kelvin as your new temperature. Then you're going to answer the rest of the questions. And that is your lab for today.